Hey guys, this is Zevin from DNC. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can disable the comments in both the WordPress pages and posts. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing.
Now, if you are building your website on WordPress and thinking of how you can actually disable the comment area under your page and also your post, right? It's actually a very simple process, okay, where you can actually do this here. First of all, we are going to go under the dashboard first. Yep, we are going to go back to the dashboard. All right. And I'm just going to go back and install a plugin. Okay. And I'm just going to install the classic editor. All right. Once I have activated my classic editor, right now I'm going to go back to my post area where I'm going to disable my comments, right? So earlier, the post that I'm showing as a demonstration is using my post number 3, okay? Where I have my comment box right here. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just edit this post. And when the moment that you are entering over right here, right, we are going to look for the screen option, okay? If you scroll down, you just observe the box that will appear right below the body text right here, okay? So right here, we are going to just open up the screen option and we are going to check on the discussion box, yeah? Once we selected the discussion box, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see this section appearing. It's saying discussion, allowed comments, okay? Once you actually check on this, you can actually just minimize the screen option, right? So once I'm here, right, what I will do is I'll just uncheck this. Allowed comments, yep, I'll just uncheck that and I'm just going to update my post. And over right here, what I will do is I'll just go to my page 3 and I will just refresh my page. And ta-da! The comment box will disappear. All right, the comment box will right now will disappear. But what about my post 2 and my other posts, right? Am I going to go through the page one by one, in order for me to remove the comment box one by one? Is there any other way that we can actually do kind of bulk updates? Yeah, so over right here, I just would like to share with you guys. First of all, let me just create some other posts as well. I will just do a post 4. Yep. And also a post 5. Cool. All right. Right now we will have more posts, but every post of the new post that I created, right, you will actually have the comment box right there. Yeah, if you can see, there's this comment box. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bulk update for all my posts to disable the comment box. Yeah. So what you can do is that you can just come here, check on the box of all the pages, yep, all the posts that I have. And I'm going to select the drop down button as edit. And right now, we are just going to click on apply. Okay, so you can see that it's actually bulk edit all the posts that I have. And I'm going to select the comments as do not allow. All right, so right now I'm just going to update as a bulk update. Oh, cool. All right, now I'm just going to refresh my post 5. Okay, you'll be able to see my comment box disappear. And check on my post number 4, same thing, the comment box will disappear. Alright, so very fast, very easy. At the same time, if you're thinking of like, hey, Zevin, how do I actually bring back my comment box? Very easy. You can just go back to the edit post. Alright, and where we are just going to go back to the screen option. Okay, so instead of the discussion box right here, right? I mean, just ensure that this is ticked, yeah? And in order for us to see these settings right here, we are just going to check on the allowed comments once again and update your page. Here we go. We should be able to get the comment box back to the screen. Yeah, so that's all in this video that I would like to share with you, how you can actually disable the comment box in your WordPress theme very easily. Yeah, but first of all, in order for you to have the settings, we are just going to activate our classic editor to have a much more easier navigation. All right, you just need to open up the small little setting under the discussion box, and you should be able to navigate around to disable the comment box in both your pages and your posts. Yeah, so for those of you, if you have successfully disabled your comment box, remember to leave a comment below and let me know. Yeah, and meanwhile, if you like our video, remember to help us like and share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.